Here's how to convert to TIFF for free. So TIFF image format. If you have other images that you want to convert to TIFF, all you have to do is use this app that I created. It's called ConvertSave, and only on this video can you actually use it for free with the link in the description. And so you can just click and drag. It's a drag and drop file converter. We drag our photos in, we select our output. I'm going to select TIFF and hit convert. It's as simple as that. So this is like a one-to-one conversion, and it's basically not compressing it any more than whatever the image requires. And so TIFF is actually pretty uncompressed, and so you're going to notice a lot larger file types, or not file types, a lot larger file sizes on the TIFF images. But yeah, you can try it for free with the link in the description. I created this app with my brother, who's a software developer, and I wanted to create something for images, but it also does audio and video, and it does all these hundreds of different conversions directly on your computer, whether you're on Mac or Windows. It works for both. And so it does not upload your files anywhere. I was kind of sick of just random websites and having to Google how to convert things, and then so now I've got this ConvertSave software, and we're actually continuing to work on it and add more features to it. And so that's ConvertSave. It literally converts and saves. Try it for free down below. Hope you guys enjoy it and find it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.